Click on the upper right corner to open Aezakmi. Enter username and password. Click to login. Click to create a new profile. Click to open random profile. Choose a screen resolution. Click Generate Fingerprint. Enter a new profile name. Click to save fingerprint. Click to enable proxy. Select the SOX5 protocol, then open the PS5 client. Enter country abbreviation. Select a right-click port. Click on Port Forwarding List. Enter IP and port. There is no need to check the SOX5 proxy. Select Aezakmi after clicking the button in the upper right corner. Select the name you just set and click Start. Now the IP has been set up. The current IP is the same as the client's IP.